Right, hello everyone, and welcome back to my severe weather outlet channel right here on YouTube, or I should call it the ETPC Severe Weather Outlook channel. Um, it is Saturday, May the 9th. 2026, and it currently 3:23 p.m. Central Standard Time. And we have an update on the severe weather outlook for day 1 today. It looks like parts of Pennsylvania and New York and parts of Ohio are seeing a level 2 out of a 5 today, Ali. And it looks like a little bit of Texas and Oklahoma are going to be seeing a level 2 as well. Anyway, let's get down to business. So, third thing first, it looks like the third level one goes all the way from Texas to Oklahoma, parts of Kansas where I'm at right here, and because I do live in South Central Kansas, and um and then it goes all the way up to parts of Nebraska, Colorado, and parts of Wyoming. And then the level 2 goes to part of Oklahoma and parts of Texas, Ali. And then down here in this area, we have another level 1 for parts of Texas into Louisiana, and then we have another level 1 for parts of Florida, and then we have this area right here, up here between Pennsylvania and parts of, I guess you want to say New Jersey. I get New Jersey and parts of and all that. And then this area up here, we have Michigan, Ohio, New York. I mean Pennsylvania and New York. Sorry, I said that wrong. Um, that are all in this alley. So um yeah, that's the chain for today, Ali. Update on the latest tornado graphic. It looked like parts of Ohio and Pennsylvania and New York have like a had a 2% chance for tornadoes, and the areas that are going to be impacted in that will be Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Cleveland, Ohio, Buffalo, New York, Akron, Ohio, and Norman, Oklahoma. And then this is the wind graphic, as you can see. It we have a 15% chance for the wind in Oklahoma and Texas, and then up in parts of Ohio and Pennsylvania and New York, and then mostly right here in parts of Pennsylvania and New Jersey and Florida, and parts of Louisiana and Texas and Kansas, Colorado, Nebraska, and at Fort Wyoming. And in the 15% we have Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Buffalo, New York, Norman, Oklahoma, Wichita Falls, Texas, and Erie, PA. And then in the 5% we have Houston, Texas, Philadelphia, PA, Dallas, Texas, Detroit, Michigan, and and Columbus, Ohio, and then finally we have the hail, the large hail graphic map here, which is the last thing we have in this Outlook. Now what we have a C we have a CIG1, which I don't know what that means, Ali. And in that we have Wichita Fall, Texas, Lawton, Oklahoma, Alton, Oklahoma, Hyphen, Texas, and Woodward, Oklahoma in that. And then in the 15% we have Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Norman, Oklahoma, Wichita Falls, Texas, Lawton, Oklahoma, and Emma, Oklahoma in that. And then last but not least, in the 5% for the hail, we have Houston, Texas, Philadelphia, PA, Detroit, Michigan, Austin, Texas. In the alley. Mm, sorry about that. I had them in my mouth. Last but not least, we have Cleveland, Ohio. And then finally, we have all of this right here. Um, feel free to pod the video if you all want to read all of it. Feel free to pause the video if you want to. So, all right. I guess I gave you all enough time. Anyway, that is a look here at the day one severe weather outlook graphic right here for this episode of severe weather outlook. This is episode number 4. So I that said, thank you all very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and make sure you please subscribe to the channel for more content out and everything. Um, and I'll have a lot of weather radio and FM EAS content on my weather radio channel, which is named South Central Kansas WX. um and that's the channel name that I will be doing my weather radio content on. So make sure you go and please subscribe to that channel as well, eh? So until next time, stay safe out there and stay safe out there, everyone, and have a great rest of your day, Ali. And I will see you all next time for another episode of severe weather outlook. So have a great day.